Hello everyone. So very quickly in this video I'll be sharing with you how to flush out all the bad smells, toxins, waste, heavy metals making your belly bulgy and you having to feel so weak and sick all the time and have your immunity so strong, burn fats for you and leave your system really so clean. So in order to come up with this recipe, it is a very powerful detox cleanse. The first ingredient I'll be using will be cucumber. So I'll be using half a cucumber here. Cucumbers are very heart friendly. They help to detoxify your heart, your kidneys, your liver. So they can easily work effectively to break down and cleanse your system, boost your metabolism, flush all those bad smells and fats in your system, toxins out. The second ingredient I'll be using will be spinach. So you can use any green leafy vegetable of your choice like kale. If you don't have spinach, you can substitute with kale. This contains the good chlorophyll your system needs for cleansing and detoxification. So any other green leafy vegetable, most especially like kale, is very important. I love me some spinach because it helps with anti-aging as well. So this is it, a handful of kale or spinach. Just make sure you wash thoroughly. So I always wash my vegetables with water and vinegar, my fruits and vegetables, just to make sure everything is so clean. You don't put in bacteria or any possible chemicals in your system. So you just want to thoroughly wash. These are very good for detoxification, green leafy vegetables. So kale or spinach will be so fine. So after you wash thoroughly, clean and just set aside. And this is the second ingredient, green leafy vegetable, very important to be here for the detoxification. The next ingredient I'll be using will be lime. Limes are very good. They contain those good acids to flush out bad acids, making your belly always bloated, big, making your system so slow that you cannot burn the fats or flush out toxins and bad smells from your system. Because when your system is accumulated with waste, toxins, you start bulging out that ugly smell. So this is to enable you to break down all the toxins and flush out all those acids, slowing down your system. So this is one lime. You just want to get your lime, slice up into some good sizes, and you're good to go. This is very good for fat burning as well. So this is to burn the bad fat so you can live a healthy life free of obesity. So detoxification is can't really go well if you don't add an apple in here, because apple contain all those nutrients your system needs to fortify it, to break down waste in your system, flush them out and cleanse you out, plus leave in a lot of good nutrients in your system. This is a very powerful detox cleanse recipe to form a disease fighting barrier in your system, as all the ingredients here are alkalizing as well. So this is it. Just put your peel your one apple. No, don't peel, just slice up your apple and wash thoroughly and slice up the apple and set aside. Yeah, very important. All the ingredients carefully put together. And now ginger. Yes, when it comes to cleansing, detoxifying, thorough cleaning of the system, breaking down fats, breaking down accumulated toxins and waste, ginger does that. Sorry, I keep saying garlic. Ginger is very good for cleansing. It is anti-inflammatory to prevent all that gassy, bloated big belly as well. Like, this is really so good. So you want a thumb size of ginger. You peel and wash thoroughly, slice into some good sizes that you can easily blend up and you set aside. So all these ingredients are thermic and alkalizing to cleanse, flush the system of waste, heavy metals, bad fats, bad smells, and you have your system so active, clean, burn fats and leave you with a healthy body size, free of toxins which can lead to diseases and sicknesses. So this is it. This is the ginger, and the next thing you want to do is to put your ingredients in your blender. So in case you do not follow, that is half a cucumber, a thumb size of ginger, one lime, and one apple. So that is it. So you want to add in your green leafy vegetable at the end. So either your kale or spinach at the end, because it is softer and the other ingredients are a little bit harder. So you add in 4 cups of water. So 4 large cups of water. So if you're putting in liters, just say two half a liters, because I will have 2 half a liters out of this. So if you are measuring with the bottles I use, 2 half a liters will go. So you just blend. So that is 1 liter of water that you put in there. So you blend. What you achieve is 2 little bottles, like the 16.9 ounce bottle. I don't know how to really, yeah, you see the bottles at the end, but you know the bottle waters you buy at the store, that is the size. So you just put everything there, which is equivalent to 4 large cups of water. You blend and use your sieve to get the juice out of it. And yeah, this is it. Very alkalizing juice, very cleansing, disease fighting, fat burning, a very powerful flush to flush out all bad smells, toxins, like leave your system so clean and really healthy from the inside, burn all that fats. So these are 2 half liters that I will fill them up with the juice, very cleansing juice. And in order to consume this, you want to consume 1 little bottle in the morning on an empty stomach before you eat anything, like just like after fasting that you haven't eaten anything. That is when you eat, you consume 1 of the tiny little bottles. Then at bedtime you consume the other. So it's like 2 cups in the morning, 1 large cup in the morning and 1 large cup at bedtime, enough quantity. So it really gets into that empty clean system, that empty system without any oil or food interrupting the cleansing process. Yeah. So after you can serve up, depending on the time, you can serve up in your glass and just drink everything all at once. So I like making it easy with my ice cubes in my cup, so it doesn't get boring, and I just drink. I drink this and I fill up another cup again, finish the bottle in the morning, and at bedtime I do same. And you want to do this alongside drinking enough water. Water too is a cleanse. Water is the cheapest cleanse you can get at home. So you want to drink alongside with enough water. This is how I do my cleanses. I'll drink enough water because water naturally cleanses, flushes out bad sugars in your system, all the unhealthy sugars in your system. It cleanses you out. It boosts your digestion, because if you don't drink enough water, you hardly digest food well. So when you substitute water with sugary pops, with all the sodas and all the acids in them, the gas, you always have a bloated, constipated stomach, because those don't help to boost digestion. So you want to drink water to help with the cleansing, digestion, so nothing stores up causing belly fat and weight gain. Plus you want to
of food you eat,
cultivate that habit of drinking enough water daily. Yeah. So this is what I wanted to share with you today. Cleanse up your system and live a healthy life. Trust me, your health is wealth, and everything you can take care of to live a very peaceful and healthy life without rushing up and down to doctors and spending a lot of money and time. So share this video with your family and friends, so we can all flush out all the unwanted stuff in our system, all the bad fats, waste, toxins, live a very healthy life free of sicknesses and diseases. And yeah, so thank you for your time. Thank you for watching again, and see you again in my next video. Bye.